Hey folks, Josiah Town here with Home Town Realty. Just wanted to show you this nice little property out here in Noster area, just about maybe 2 miles from the Air Force Base. It's about 3 acres. It's got some scattered trees, got a few fruit trees. It's got a small cabin on it that can come with the property or be taken away from the property if someone would like to adjust the price accordingly. And then it's got a nice barn. So I'm going to show you around a little bit and see what you guys think. Got fruit trees here. It's got water and electricity on the property. Whoop. There's a spigot there. Also a spigot there. You can see we got scattered trees out there. A few trees out back. This is the shop. Really nice concrete floor. It's got electricity. It's got a breaker box there. It's about the equivalent of a 2-car, like a large 2-car garage. It's got a room back here, storage area. The wood burning fireplace comes with the property. This is set up to be a bathroom. There's no septic on the property yet, but this was plumbed out, stubbed out for that. So, yep, that's the inside there. Of course, you got the roller door there. I'll show you around back a little bit. Really nice piece of land here. It's in a nice kind of subdivided area. Has some light restrictions, nothing too severe. Really nice level lot. Be great to build your home. Goes back to there where those trees are. The back side of the barn. And this is the overhang area. Really nice. Got the concrete floor there as well. Great area for storage. And that fencing material is also going to come with the property if somebody would like to go ahead and fence in the rest of the property. This is the cabin. We'll peek in here. You can see it's got cedar and pine siding. It's got its own breaker box. When I say siding, I'm talking about the interior here. Got a few windows, real nice area there. And it has a little area that could be used as a bathroom. That is a brand new composting toilet. Yep. It'll be a great place to stay while you're building your dream home, or a little guest house or an office, studio, all kinds of options here. So if you got any other questions, I will put my number in the comments. And yeah, you can ask questions, let me know what you think.